So let's go on a tour and have a look at the Graffiti Eaters surface restoration vehicle, the most advanced cleaning truck produced in Australia. Come with me over on this side. The truck's all based on a Hino Detro chassis, so you only need a car licence to drive it. It's about 4.5 tonne in weight. The truck's got a custom built body on the back, which is all aluminium, which prevents any issues with corrosion and that we have. You'll notice the dual branding. On this side of the truck it's all red and there's the Graffiti Eaters brand. On the other side of the truck is green that we'll get to, which is the Stain Eaters. What's particularly unique about these vehicles is how we've designed the pressure pump technology. So mounted underneath the truck, under the bottom here is the actual pressure pump, and that is driven off the truck engine via a computerized power takeoff unit. So what that means is we're able to run a very large pump that's very fast in its operation. This unit will clean up to 40% more surface area than our nearest competitors because of the truck layout and equipment. In the back here, we have all the unique gear that we need, all computer controlled, from the light sequences and the flashing lights that we have on the vehicles through to the internal lighting system. We've got all of our traffic management, witches, hats and cones and traffic gear. We've got our inlet high pressure hose, or inlet hose for filling the tanks with a 900 litre water tank inside. The high pressure hose with the gun and the lancers that we use for doing the actual pressure cleaning work. This is all on electric motors, so that as we pull it out, the electric motors pull the hose back in. We've got all of our unique attachments and fittings, and the vehicle also automatically fills and controls all its own water heights, so that while we're working, we can be away and concentrated on the work site. We don't have to worry about what the vehicle's doing in the back end. We have all of the tool cabinets and everything that we need for the work that we do, and our brooms and that for application of products, which is all mounted on the side here. We also have this fast fill attachment, which allows us to connect to fire hydrants, which can fill the tank in about 4 minutes as opposed to the standard hose, which takes around about 30 minutes. So again, shaves about 26 minutes off refill time when we need to connect to water. We also have at the back of the vehicles our waste recovery tanks. So in order to comply with the environmental laws, any waste that we generate due to our cleaning technology, whether it be graffiti and paint, whether it be oil stains, we're able to collect all of that, and that goes into the waste tanks at the back. Then if you join me around the back of the vehicle, on the back of the vehicle here we just have all our storage for our cleaning solutions and our paints go in the back there. Underneath here and running up under the tray is a large extension ladder and also a 3-metre lance, which allows us to be able to pressure clean from the ground without having to need access equipment to get up high. Also standard is a tow bar so that we can tow trailers and scissor lifts and other things that we need for doing the work that we do. Around this side, you'll notice that green on this side of the truck promoting the Stain Eaters brand. In the back here, this is all fully equipped with the equipment that we need. We have our large diesel-fired burner units. This is able to heat the water once it's pressurised up to around about 90 degrees Celsius, gives us incredible cleaning power for particularly grease and oil stains and that type of work that we do. We also have the vacuum units that we use for collecting and sucking up the wastewater and pumping it into these waste tanks at the back of the vehicle. Paint spray units and generators so that we can apply coatings and paint application to boundary fences very, very quickly. These units produce about a 12-inch fan, which effectively as fast as we can run, it can pump out paint for painting applications. Up the back here we have our rolls of plastic and so forth for protecting surfaces and making sure that we're environmentally compliant. And we also have our hose ramps and barriers and so forth for making sure our pedestrian management is up to speed. Generators and our surface cleaning tools. So you can see that the vehicle has everything on board and has all of the equipment to make sure that we're really fast and efficient at what we do and can do all things surface restoration and coating application. Thanks for joining us on this tour to have a look at our surface restoration technicians, and if you'd love to become a Graffiti Eaters franchise partner, please head to our websites and check us out.